How's it going, guys? My name is Ghost, and today I'm going to be doing something special. It's pre-FOMC, looking at the best setups for tomorrow, depending on what they give us pre-rate decision, and also going over a trade review from our watch list. So the first one I'm going to do is a trade review from our watch list. As you can see here, I have the ES setup that I was looking at on our Sunday watch list. And I also mentioned in that video that we get a reaction. The next break above, I'm looking to go long for a retest of this daily level up at 522, 5221.5. So we got that move. It was during after pre-market. I did enter some contracts pre-market. You could have took it on the futures, but that was a nice move to set us up for the week. The next trade I want to talk to you guys about also is the daily zone break. Again, I've said this how many times, especially if we've already swept above, coming back to retest a daily zone break, you can see how aggressive the move can get. Once we broke above, easily could have had your entry. Your stop is right at the daily level, and you can continue to ride that as far as you can, keep your runners, and you could target up here. So as you can see, we didn't get the full move, which I'm expecting most likely we get the move before FOMC, but if we don't, it'll just give us another opportunity to go target that if we can hold above and retest this 5221.5. So I'll be watching that for FOMC. Again, if we do fail this level here, breaking below this 5213.75. Actually, I should update my levels here with you guys live. So here on the hourly, I'm going to update my levels. Look for an entry possibly to go short if FOMC does give us that opportunity. And I'm looking, and most likely I'm going to stay patient, but you could take an entry on a break back below this daily level. I first would test the bounce because of how aggressive that move was. Could look for an entry here. And then if we get up here, it could give us a good opportunity. But again, if you see it, we've already rejected it once. We got this nice push down. I won't be so inclined to take puts again up here. Would definitely like to see some new levels form, which will be, we could see this area here get retested. Above there, definitely want to be in calls. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, but at the moment, I don't see any great entries for puts until we come back and break all the way down here, where we can then target this area. But until then, I'll probably be looking for an upside setup and to see if we break above this 5257.25. And that'll probably give us our best risk reward setup coming into FOMC. And I'll be watching that very closely. But again, our watch list first trade was going to be for the week, a break above that 5202.5. And we got our first level price target all the way up here. So that set us up with a nice cushion for the week. And then getting another retest and break above this daily level gave us a nice trade as well. And as you can see in my watch list, I had most of these levels. I had this one on SPY. So as you can see in my watch list, I was looking for a break to go long or buy calls of this daily level. Same principle as I was looking at ES. We swept this daily level before. So coming back above here, I definitely wanted to be in that trade and have my price targets here. And I had 516 to 516.62 as my price target. 516 was a high gamma level I wanted to watch out for, but 515.16 and then potentially 516. But wanted to be in that trade on the break of this candle on the 5-minute close. As you can see, we got the close above and we got the move up. And also, I was watching on ES. You could have got an earlier entry, but it was a little bit more trickier because you did close back below. As you can see, we got that close above, and then it did close right back below here before quickly reclaiming. So here at these situations, you definitely want to have your stop set in place, particularly if we're going to get a close back below after holding above. I'd like to see the next candle and put my stops on the low of the previous candle. As you can see, it didn't even hit a low of it. It quickly reclaimed. And after that, we got the next move up to the daily. But the safer entry would have been waiting for the daily break and then also the SPY daily level break, which gives us a nice R&R trade. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, pre-FOMC setups. I'm going to be looking for this area to break, 52.57, and on spot. Going to be paying attention to this 516.62 level. Breaking above there, we can go get all-time highs. So we'll see where we're sitting in pre-market, but those are my upside setups. And then breaking below the dailies now that we've kind of reclaimed it after sweeping it, that will definitely give me a trigger entry to test some puts. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys enjoy your night. Rest up. Big day ahead. Appreciate you guys. Peace.